Hey everyone, this is John Rollins, here to show you my 2011 Chevy 3500 HD. As you can see, this truck's outfitted with a nice service body on it. This was a cabin chassis when it was ordered brand new. It's got a nice reading bed on it. You've got the full top box. If you are a contractor and you don't like that full top box, that actually can be removed. Duramax Diesel, Allison Automatic transmission. The truck is deleted and tuned. Four-wheel drive. It's got brand new tires on it all the way around. I just had 6 tires put on the truck. You got tow mirrors, cab lights, chrome grille, chrome bumper. This truck also has a brand new GM engine put in it. It's only got 4,000 miles on the motor. I have all the paperwork with it. Let's go ahead and take a look at it inside. Now this is going to be the work truck trim. It does have power locks. You've got manual windows. It has vinyl seats, rubber floor. Four-wheel drive shifter is on the floor. Brake controller. You got a little rip right here in the driver's seat. It does have tilt. Does have cruise, does have cold air. Let me turn that down. And this truck has 179,473 miles on it. There's your radio, your climate, factory exhaust brake. The rear seats are in great shape. They really don't show much wear back here. Here's another look at your dash. The truck does have a tow package. You got nice shelving inside the box here. And the truck is deleted, so the truck does sound good. Does not run deaf. Again, 6 brand new tires. This is a solid work truck for anybody looking. Headliner's in great shape. It runs out super strong. It drives very well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the engine. 6.6 liter LML Duramax Diesel. Stock airbox. The motor is very clean. Again, this motor only has approximately 4,000, 5,000 miles on it. It is a brand new motor. Thanks for watching my video. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. I do take trades, I have financing, I have nationwide shipping. Thank you.